Hi, I'm Rachel and welcome to Flowers for the New Moon. In this video I will be sharing with you 3 flowers that are really supportive spiritually, emotionally and physically during the time of the new moon, whether that be in the lunar cycle or whether that be in your own menstrual cycle for women as well. These 3 flowers are really accessible. I'm going to share with you 3 easy ways to use them. So the new moon is the time in the lunar cycle when the moon is invisible in the sky. It can't be seen by the human eye. And we are seemingly in the darkness at this time. And it is a really great time for coming into our intuition. It is a time for listening and reflecting. And for that reason, it is the perfect time for meditating. In fact, you might find it easier to meditate at this point. It's also a time of new beginnings. It is the beginning of the lunar cycle when it will begin its journey again from new moon to full moon and back round. So here are my 3 flowers. So the first that I suggest for you to invite in the new moon is lemon balm. And lemon balm is relaxing to the whole emotional body. So it's going to bring you into a state of ease and relaxation. It's also really relaxing for the menstrual cycle and will help to regulate it. So if you want to be syncing in with the moon for various reasons, then lemon balm I would really encourage. And I invite you to use lemon balm as a tea. So take it as a hot tea, really nourishing as you snuggle into your blanket and just enjoy that relaxing and restful time of the new moon. The second flower I recommend is Cary Sage, and I recommend using this as an essential oil. Cary Sage is really good for helping to ease melancholy or sadness. If you're feeling anxiety as well, it can be really helpful to be uplifting. It's also very sensual as well, and it will also help with easing menstrual cramps. And if you're finding that these are something that occurs to you frequently, you can use the essential oil of Cary Sage as a hot compress, using that externally on your body to help easing, but also using it as an essential oil for that upliftment in an oil burner, a bath, a soap, or even a spray. And the third flower I would recommend is to use apple blossom. And I really encourage you to use the essence of apple blossom. And this is a vibrational flower remedy that is using the essence or the soul of the plant, and you're going to take it in drops. And apple blossom essence is going to support you in initiation, in new beginnings. It helps you to remember your divine and soul purpose and to let go of all of the things that are holding you back from really embodying and starting that new beginning that you wish to create. So those are my 3 flowers. If you would like to know more, then I do share more in my free Facebook group, and we are about to go into a moon activation with meditations and masterclasses, and that is on Facebook. I'll put the link here for you, completely free for all women. And I also lead a Moon Mysteries course, which is an in-depth 7-week course, which is learning all about the moon on various different levels, in the lunar cycle, the celestial, also our moon, our menstrual cycle, and the archetypes, also about myth and legend of goddess and the moon. So I invite you to check that out. Again, the link is below. Thank you so much for listening. Remember to subscribe for more videos about flower essences, about earth healing, goddess healing, dance, embodiment. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Lots of love and many new moon blessings to you.